Vlogmas. Okay, so it is 8:45 and the plan today is I'm shifting my schedule around quite a bit because I have other things planned for today. So usually what I do is I will film, you know, I am a full-time content creator, so my whole day just is about filming, editing, posting, filming, editing, posting, scheduling, and then so many things in between. What I usually do is I will film one video in the morning for TikTok and then organize the morning portion of my Instagram, and then in the afternoon part I will do another video for TikTok, whether it's makeup, reviewing a new foundation or any makeup palettes. I will do that in the afternoon, and then I would actually settle up the Instagram portion for the evening. But today my challenge is I want to finish all my TikToks, all my Instagram stuff by 12 o'clock, so by 12:30. Then after that I can take some time to edit Vlogmas and post up today's vlog and get that settled, and then the rest of the afternoon to just take like a chill, like a more relaxed one, because I've got so much of cleaning to do actually. So the plan today is I want to do my bedroom. I want to reorganize everything. I've got new sheets. We're gonna make it like very Christmassy in there. I'm so excited. So that is the afternoon portion. But today morning, so let's see if today I can actually do 3 TikTok videos in the morning. Instagram reel I've already pre-recorded, so I just have to edit it and we will see from there. And then once I'm done with all my work, I'll catch up with you guys again and we will do the advent calendar day 11. Also there's a chocolate stain on my shirt. Please ignore it. This is a new I mean, it's from a wash. I did wash it, but this thing didn't go out, so I need to figure out how to get it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a while. Bye. It's 8:42. Once again, I have no idea how the day just went. Phew. My whole plan about finishing everything by 12 o'clock did not go according to plan actually. Obviously. Basically did all my work. I spoke to my mom and then we had a bit of change in plans. I will tell you in a while. Work. That's basically what my day has been. My husband has gone for futsal. But the other thing on my list today is to finish up my room. My bedroom is in a complete mess. I've just not had the time to put things away, so we are going to do that today. Oh god, we're going to do that today, like I'm not kidding. Okay guys, so first up we're going to unbox the Body Shop day 11. We're on day 11. Let's see what is this. Lotion. Okay guys, we got the Kindness and Pear hand cream lotion. I love this whole Kindness and Pear's range is just amazing. This makes me, you know, later I'm gonna take a bath, like I'm gonna have like a long bath. I deserve it after such a long day. You know what my dinner was today? Because my husband is out and I was hungry and I needed to eat. You know what my dinner was? I had salsa and chips. Working hard here. Oh, we have a new drink to try. I forgot to try it yesterday. Let me go get it. We have this one. This is the Coston pressed elderflower / lemonade. It's not non-alcoholic, by the way. Delicate elderflower with pressed lemons and apples, wonderfully light, no added sugar or sweetness. This actually tastes like shandy. You know shandy, if you have ever had shandy, it tastes like shandy, but it's just not alcoholic. It tastes exactly like shandy minus the alcohol. We're gonna go and do my room, but first up, let's have some heart-to-heart. Let's have a heart-to-heart. Please don't judge me with the way my bedroom is in. Like, I know my mom would be like, are you serious? I never cleaned it out so long. Mommy, I was working. I'm in so much of work. I'm enjoying it though, don't get me wrong, I'm enjoying it. I had the funniest conversation with my mother today about the whole concept of my work and how she's worried that I'm like losing it slightly, because apparently in the last few the day 9 vlog when I was making my coffee, I was laughing to myself. But no, I'm just tired. Otherwise all good. Okay, coming back, heart to heart. Don't judge me. My room needs so much tender loving care that I'm gonna go get settled in the room. We have to settle it, and then we will reward myself with a long hot bath. Before we end the vlog, I will tell you what's happening tomorrow. Do not get shocked. Tomorrow is gonna be a day. Let's go. Okay, so this is what my room currently looks like, you guys. It's a hot mess, like really hot mess. We're gonna put all the clothes away. We're gonna change the sheets. I'm excited. I'm excited for like a clean room. Okay guys, bed sheet. I've got like brown ones. I'm so excited. I love brown, and then we've got like light brown pillowcase matched with a couple of white. So this is what we're going to change it into. Now cue the time lapse and let's transform. Also, that cupboard is for a different day altogether. We just don't have the time today. I have a lot of plans for the cupboard because I've got some more new clothes coming. So the plan is to actually rearrange the entire cupboard, give away all the other stuff that I'm not using anymore. So expect a pre-love sale. So just close your eyes when you see the cupboard. Close your eyes. Okay, so I actually just had my bath. I'm so happy that we actually finished cleaning the room today. It's so satisfactory. Okay, so now it is 12:11. Tomorrow, basically in a couple of hours, we're gonna wake up and we are heading to Penang. My mother-in-law has a wedding to attend, so all of us are actually going. We have to leave here by 3 a.m. 3 a.m. reach Ipoh about 5:30, pick everybody up and then leave Ipoh by 6, and preferably be in Penang by 7:38 because the wedding is at 8 o'clock. Finishing up this vlog on my phone because my camera actually just got like memory card full. The new camera actually is filling up like super fast, so I need to get like a bigger memory card, I think. Yeah, because I think the footage is like 4K, so it takes up a lot of more space than usual. Okay, fine. Anyways, yes, I'm actually gonna go head off to sleep now, try to get at least 2 to 3 hours, and I'll pick up with you guys on Vlogmas day 12 tomorrow. I cannot remember what I was saying just now, but yeah, I'm super excited for tomorrow. We have like, and I'll see you guys in just a few more hours. Bye.